Hi there, I'm Michael Cohn from Advanced Tubular Technologies. I'm the lead developer for VTube-LASER software that you're going to see in today's video. What I'm going to show you today is how we can scan what are called inline bend profile measurements while we're scanning the straights in the tube using Uniscan or Multiscan. So I'm going to go ahead and take you through that process and show you how easy it is, and then show you what values can be automatically calculated and derived from those bend profile measurements. So let's go ahead and get started. In Measure Setup Bend Profile, you can turn on inline measuring and then indicate which of the bend profiles you want to measure. In the left column, you can set the type. So if you want to measure just the radius, you'll set the type to inside only. But if you want to measure the radius and, for example, the ovality or out of round percentage, then you'll want to also select inside outside type. And the Copy to Measure column allows you to automatically copy the measured radii to the measured tube. The inline bend profile method works with both Uniscan and Multiscan. In this demo, I'm going to show you Uniscan. The inline setup requires that we measure the inside of bend number 1. If we scan 300 stripes, then VTube will automatically press the accept button. But in this case, I'm just going to press the accept button to finish sooner. Per our setup, we skipped bend 2, and now we're going to scan the inside and the outside of bend 3. This kind of measurement will allow VTube to calculate the ovality and the flattening on the outside of the bend. We're going to just measure the radius for bend 4, so we're measuring the inside only. Next, I'm going to finish and build a measured tube. I'm going to perform an alignment to align the measures to the master part. And then we're going to look at the Bend Profiles inspection menu. Now let's take a closer look at the menus for bend profiles. The envelope menu shows you which bends have been measured and how well they fit inside the envelope if you measured with inside-outside. The centerline radii menu shows you the calculated centerline radius, and if you want to qualify to the radius, you can. The planar change menu is where we see flattening, and this only applies to measurements taken on the inside and the outside. The perpendicular change menu shows the deformation up and down from the bend plane. And in this case, we didn't measure the top or the bottom, so this doesn't apply. And then we have ovality. You can see here this tube bend measures 0.6%, and we have out of round, which is often quite similar to the ovality, but a slightly different formula. So that's how you use the inline bend profile measurement feature inside VTube-LASER. If you have any questions about what you've seen in this video, please feel free to email me or my team at support@advancedtubular.com. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.